guys, you are watching Tuckles Tech Toys. Today we're going to be showing how to take apart the Roomba E5 and how to put it back together. Because see, it says Roomba E5, and also you can recognize it because it's the E5, and it's orange because I haven't got it charging that much. So after this, I might show you how to put it on your charger base. So first you have to unscrew the side wash. I already unscrewed it because it's a lot of work. And I unscrewed this face plate already because it is a lot of work. And then you should have this, and that's still works. Yeah, maybe this might be a good time for you to take off your bottom plate. Oh, also take off the dustbin because it's way more easier because it has the holes. And also, you might want to take out the brushes. And you want to take out the battery. Today's my mom's birthday, so if you hear her screaming at something, it's probably horrible that she storms that out of my full birthday presents or whatever. Yes, so you got they're going to get the face plate out. Okay. Oh, you have that on the orange left. Each out. So you should be able to rip it right off. And I have a S9, a 380T, a Roomba E5, what's dead, and a 380T charging, and a Roomba E5 dead, and then a 805 what is broken in parts. And that is the 382.
Keep going on yours.
What do you say?
Keep going on yours.
It's a 3.2. And then, because absolutely they just made us some parts. Still works. Okay, so that's that. Now, you're going to want to take this cast oil out. You're going to want to take this out. Now, you want to take out this. It's called the castor brush, the brush castor. I don't know what it's called. It's the thing that holds the brushes.
We're just gonna have to kind of exclude that from all these tests.
Yeah. And then at the end of the bevel, I'm screwing it. Yep. You keep doing it more and more. One by one.
You can see
done. And you pull that out. You're done with that. You should see some needles. Now you take out this. These are called the cast oils. You must have a different name, but I don't know. I'll take it. And there's only one screw. One screw. One screw. Kind of dusty. Get some of that dust out of there. Perfect. So you got that taken apart. And now you have an E5 apart. So now, oh. Yeah, that's what happens now. Now you can just scoot it around if you want to. Hey guys, you're watching Tuckles Tech Toys. We are going to show you how to put the last bit together. So first you unscrew, you screw in all the screws to the bottom face plate. This is half of it. I already done some of it. And then you put the dustbin back in. Where's the screwdriver? Oh, where's my screw? Ah! Oh, where's the screw? Oh, there it is. Sorry, Ross. Sometimes I get scared of how long screws becomes. This is what your sidebar should look like. Mine's kind of a little bit twisty because my Roomba has been working for like almost 10 years or something. I don't know. Maybe even more than 10 years. So you put out a nail. You keep on screwing this in. Screw, 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 screw. And keep screwing. Turn there. You're done. Now we're going to show you all of our Roombas. Let me have it. Hey guys, we're showing all the Roombas now. First we have a Target Roomba what I got. And what I took, oh no. Oh, it's orange. Kind of looks like red. Yeah, but it kind of, it's orange, but it kind of looks like red. Yep. This is the old one. It's a photo type. This is my Roomba red. I got it. It's dead. It's dead. It was my black sweep, a 380T. We got this one what's in pieces. See guys? In pieces. No, one more. And then the D-Bot Eco-Vans. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Hey, Scott, bud.
You like that, people?
That's fantastic, bud.
I was a good one.
Mm-hmm.